sa downtown. Ganda. Kunyari, turista tayo sa Toronto. Hindi pa lang ilang years na ako nakatira dito. Toronto.
I'm a tourist.
Are you?
Yeah. I'm not from here actually. I'm from the other side of the world.
Wow.
In that area, there's so much snow there. It's still snowing there.
Maganda din sa ano, sa Saskatoon kung nasa downtown ka din.
Normally you can see.
Ito, dito. Beautiful. Yeah, in a way, we have found that I'm happy. Yes, we're rich.
The next project will be San Toronto.